Oh, hold on.
Girls, get back. Get way back. Let's come over
Ready?
here.
Yeah.
Oh, no, you
No.
can't.
Break it.
Come on.
This is gonna be bad if I was to this hammer though.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Fouled it. I did make it. Oh yeah, it's soft.
Oh, that's what she said. Oh. Whoa.
Home run. Just a little insight into how I grew up. My dad always taught us that you can actually learn what size sledgehammer is appropriate for you. This one's a 12. Now, to clarify, I don't recommend doing this at home because you will smash the shit out of your face. Hold the end of it straight out. You're going to touch your nose with it. Or, the other option is breaking your damn face. Seems like a 12 is about right.
It's like us. Hi, Mr. It's not my dad. Hey. It's my dad.
Gold star for Addison. Good morning, girls. Today we're going to have a quick lesson on hammers. These are hammers. Does everybody know what a hammer is before you walked in today? Yeah? Okay. So, the first hammers we're going to cover is a claw hammer. This is for working on building stuff out of wood, doing stuff like that. When would you ever use a claw hammer to work on a car? Madeline.
Never.
Gold star. Kinsley.
Never.
That's right. Gold star. Yes, Hayden?
Never.
Perfect. Gold star. A ball peen. The ends of the hammer are considered peens. This one has a ball, hence the name ball peen. This is for hitting on really heavy metal, things like that. These are body hammers. When do you use a body hammer on something that's not just the body of a car? Addison.
Never.
Never. Gold star. This is just a dead blow hammer. So that when it hits something, it doesn't bounce back. This is just for, metal shaping. This is just a rubber mallet. Not really good for a whole lot, but some days that's the best tool for the job. These two are sledgehammers. Now, when should you mess with a sledgehammer? Kaylin.
Never.
Never. You will get hurt. This one is just a cross peen hammer. Again, the peen, and it's a cross, so it's a cross peen sledgehammer. Now, how many of you learned something today? Wake up! That's what a mallet's good for. So we all learned something today? Okay. Make sure to smash those like and subscribe buttons. So just a quick fun video here, guys. We're going to wrap it up there. So go find a project.
Get dirty!
Gold star.